Welcome to our continuing series on the Roland D-110 multi-timbral sound module. We will now see how to implement the program change from a keyboard controller. Here we have the Roland A-800PRO keyboard controller. Now there are three ways we can implement program changes from this controller. One way is to program any of the buttons at all on the controller that we might want to do the program change. All these buttons are fully programmable. These, and these. So we have choices. If we want to do it by buttons, we can easily set up the program change when that button is pushed to whatever program number we want. The other way we can do it is to do the same thing but do it on the software in the computer using the editor and download a control map that changes all the buttons to what we want them to be for that particular instrument that we're playing. This is useful if you're using your controller for several different things. And then we can select the control map here by simply going to the control map position, which is here. Notice when we press the right arrow, we've gone to control map. Right now it's saying control map 0. We rotate the knob to whatever number of control map we want and press it, and that is a done deal. Okay, so that's the control map method using a software map on the computer. The other method I spoke about first is an on-the-fly method, where we simply put in the program for the number right away on the fly. And the last mechanism is using the knob to effect program change, which is built in simply by putting the underscore here to where it says program change, rotating the knob to whatever number we want. The knob program change is not the best method. We move the cursor to program change, and as we rotate the knob we go through all 128 program changes. Observe here as it changes. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We're going through the whole lot, one after the other. So you can do a quick thing by rotating the knob. However, that's not a good way to find them, because you'll only be able to find them in sequence. Even though these buttons normally serve as transport controls when using your DAW, they're fully programmable and can work perfectly okay in a standalone system on stage to select programs or whatever you want. In fact, you can associate a different MIDI number with each and have a control channel change or a simple program change on the particular channel that you're using. To be able to utilize these buttons, let us program, say this one here, for the harp. There you notice the harp is A31. What number would we want to program in here for A31? The A group means it's in the first 64. The 3 means you take one number less, 2, multiply it by 8 and add this number here. So twice 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. So you then have to subtract 1 because the numbers go from 0 to 127 instead of 1 to 128. So the number we want to set to select the harp is actually program number 16. So we look down here now and we want to make this button here, the play button, we want to actually make that select the harp or give the 16. So what do? We press the two of these together to put it into the program mode. Then we press the button that we want to use. So we press that and we see that it says L6 flashing. We press the value knob. We want to turn this so that it reads program change and press it. MIDI channel 1 is what we want, so we press it again. Program number, so we set it to 16. There it's 16, and we press it and we're done. So if we turn it away from the harp by pressing another key that's already been programmed, notice it's saying A15 electric piano 1, and we come down here now and we press the play button, which has now become a program change to carry it to the harp, and we look up here and it's now back at A31 harp 1 as harpsichord 1 as we wanted to have. Okay, so that's how to do it with this. There's another video showing how to do it with the editor and using the control maps. Thanks for watching the Stephen Mendes channel.